एकछिन हेरेर
कति किलो जस्तो छ मैले पनि यति जस्तो नै पोलेको हजुर
Travel forms an integral part in a student's learning life. We at Educations endeavor and assist education institutions to make the students travel to the Northeast and from the Northeast. We believe that travel is one of the biggest learning in a student's life, and they assimilate culture as well as knowledge as they travel. We welcome each one of you to visit the Northeast so that we can look at the dream of a much more increase of India. Only when we travel, we unravel. Thank you very much.